Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just want to show you guys another challenge entry that I am entering, and I want to show you guys what I created. So I am entering Robin's challenge, and she is plan.craft.love on Instagram, and on YouTube she is Crafts I Heart, and she actually entered my birthday challenge, so I would definitely want to support her and enter her birthday challenge. I know I'm doing this like super late as she needs the items by September 30th, like in her hands by September 30th. So today is like September 20th and I just crafted all this stuff for her and I want to get it out tomorrow so that I could still make it in time. But I still wanted to support her and enter in her challenge, even though I am a little late, but it should still get there in time. So she is asking for 2 tags and she is keeping one, and then she is going to gift one and some happy mail to some other people. And just to like spread, you know, the craftiness in the crafty community and spread the love, which is actually what she is calling it, like a spread the love birthday challenge. So I want to show you guys what I created for her. So let's get started. So you can see this first bit here is actually just for her, and it says for you. I just created this quick little pillow box with some gold glitter paper in the background, and I have like this pumpkin pattern paper right here. So I have that, and I have it saying for you, so she knows that this is just for her. It's not like double or anything, not for another person for happy mail. So I think I'm going to punch some holes here so that it's easier to open. So in here I have a whole bunch of these mini rosettes. I have been loving making these lately, and I have a bunch in here. There's some orange ones and these ones and some Halloween ones and fall ones. And you guys know I'm obsessed with fall. So I also did go with a fall theme because you were able to do any theme that you wanted, and we know I'm obsessed with fall, so fall it is. But I will punch holes on this right after this video just so it's easier for her to open. So I have a bunch of rosettes in there, and then I created these cute little pouch thingies right like this, and I just had some other paper. I'm just using up a paper pad. What is my paper pad? My paper pad is called Harvest by Love Nicole. I believe I got this from AC Moore before they even shut down. And I've been making my way through this paper pad, using it for like all the fall things, and I feel like I've still barely made a dent in it. But guys, I've been using this paper pad so much. Literally creating everything I possibly can with it. Like all my slimline cards are used with this paper pad. And I'm just like, I still feel like I haven't made a dent in it. But it's okay, we're still crafting with it. So I used 2 of the sheets of the fox. I think these are little fox or squirrels maybe. I don't know, they're cute little creatures. And I created this cute little pumpkin with a pumpkin die I had. And I just put that on here, and it's sticking on like one little dot, so she could take it off and use that as an embellishment if she would like. And then inside of here, oh, and then here I also used a new border punch that I got for my birthday, and it was my first time using it, and I'm actually surprised that I figured out how to use a border punch. I was like, how do I do this thing? But I figured it out. So this is the tag that I created for her, and you guys know all things fall and pumpkin. So I used some more of that paper from the collection. This back brown piece is also from the collection, but I have layered like an ivory paper in between just to make it sturdier. I had sewn on some tulle, and I made a shaker, and I even sewed on this trim, like orange pom-pom trim. I added some flowers, some fall looking flowers. We got a pumpkin back here, a gold rosette, another pumpkin, like a foam one. This I print and cut that says Hello Pumpkin, and I layered it on some gold on the background. I got this leafy thing from Target. This pumpkin is from Target too. I said gold rosette. And then I got these flowers here. And then I think these are the ones that were gifted to me in a birthday challenge entry, I believe. I know I got some fall flowers in a birthday challenge entry, but I don't know if I got them all. I think I had like 1 pack when I actually went to go look, so I'm not sure. I added an eyelet and then just some trim here, some fall like plaid trim, some gold eyelash trim, and some pearls. And that just looks cute. So there is gonna be my challenge entry. Isn't it so cute? I love this tag. I just love fall, guys. I can't help it. And then on the back, she wanted information. So our name she wanted, Instagram, YouTube, any of your social media. So I have that here. Your birthday, she wanted an address, favorite colors, favorite crafty season. I don't think that was on there, but I decided to add it in on here. Favorite candy, and then $5 item. So I put I love gemmies and enamel dots. And yeah, I stitched all around it, added some leaf stickers here that I had in my stash. And you were supposed to create tags that were either the same or similar, and I tried to make them as the same as possible, but this one does have a little different of a pumpkin back here because I didn't have two of the same, but everything else is pretty much the same. See? So I tried. I think the leaf is a little different also, but that's okay. And then like this is like alternating different colors, but that's okay. They're pretty much almost the same. And so I'm sending this out to Robin to support her and enter her challenge, and I hope she likes what I created. And I had so much fun crafting it because I just love everything fall, so this was totally my jam. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I don't think you guys are gonna have time to enter, but I still wanted to share and show you guys what I created, and I'm excited to see her unboxing video. And I will see you guys in my next crafty video. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!